So this is the rug I'm going to be cleaning. It is 3 by 5 feet and it's not that dirty, but it is pretty dirty. I hope you can see the stains and stuff, but this is going to be the second time I'm cleaning it. I have another rug which is 2 by 6. It's a runner rug and I already cleaned it and it was way dirtier than this rug because I've never cleaned it before. And these are the only recent photos I can find of them. They are pretty dirty, so yeah, let's get started. And I'm just gonna use Borax. I'm also gonna use the Arm & Hammer laundry booster. And then some Tide. And you just want to fold your rug like I have it now and then place it into the tub. Like I said, I already cleaned this one a while back, so it's not as dirty as the other one was. I just wish I would have recorded the other one. And now I'm gonna go in with this Tide Clean and Clear and just give each section of the rug a good scrubbing. You can use any detergent you want, any type of soap you want. This is just the one that I'm using. I'm just going in sections, as you can see. And whenever I see any hairballs or lint or whatever, I just pick it up and put it to the side. After I finish scrubbing, I go back in with the hot water to rinse all the detergent off. I like to use my hand. It really helped, but if you don't want to use your hand, you don't have to, or if you want to use gloves, you can go ahead and do that. So after I finish rinsing the rug, I go back and do it one more time. If you have your rug folded like I do, you should be able to prop it up and then it will stay up by itself. I let it stay up for about an hour while the water drained out of it. After about an hour, it should be almost completely dry. I hung both rugs outside, but you can hang them inside. And it rained that night, so it gave it that extra rinse if maybe I missed some soap or whatever. And here's the results. So this is the runner rug. I cleaned it first, but it was way more dirtier because it was the first time that I ever cleaned it. It looks absolutely brand new. The colors are just popping. The next time I clean it, I'm definitely gonna record. And to deodorize, I'm just gonna use this carpet deodorizer that I got from Dollar Tree. It is dog friendly, which is nice because I have a dog and the instructions are pretty clear. And I'm just gonna go in with my vacuum and vacuum it all up. And here's the other rug. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye!